I killed Laura Palmer. I don't know why.
How? How did you kill her?
I possessed her father.
Why did you choose your father?
Because he was the closest.
Closest to her or closest in proximity to you?
Both.
Who's Laura Palmer?
Oh, it's a girl from a show called Twin Peaks. It was like early 90s. It's on Netflix if you're interested.
Is the whole show about who killed her?
Yes.
Do you ever find out?
Yes. Which apparently the writer never wanted to actually tell you who it was.
It's a horrible ending.
Yeah.
Why do you like the show?
It's got drama and mystery and just overall strangeness. It's like the entire time you're watching, it's like, this is brilliant. And at the same time, I have no idea what's going on.
What's your favorite food?
Paschetti. Even though I can't say Paschetti.
What attracted you to the show Twin Peaks?
I can't remember. I think my parents were talking about it once because they just actually restarted it, like a continuation. And I was like, oh, okay, I'll give it a try. And then it's very intriguing. It's murder mystery and
You ever watch Lovely Bones?
Lovely Bones. No, but I heard of it. Huh?
It's a great movie.
Huh.
It's like something sad. I don't cry at all. I was like, laugh if you cried every time.
So are there any other shows you're watching right now?
Since college started, not really. Although I am just kind of waiting for my Legion show to come back.
Do you watch the animes?
The animes. Oh, I used to in high school. I haven't in a long time.
Okay.
Okay.